Hello everybody, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to build a weight converter. This is how it works. So you have to type in your weight in pounds, so I'm 130 pounds, and you can pick which units you want your weight in pound to convert it to. So I want mine to convert to kilograms, and it says your weight is 59 kilograms. It's not that exact. I made it round to the nearest integer, so that's why it's 59, or else it should have been like 58.9 or 58.8 something. So yeah, but before we start the video, make sure you guys go subscribe and like to the video. I'm on my way to 30 subs this month. Hopefully I can reach it if you guys help me. I would really appreciate it if you do that right now. It would only take 2 seconds. And now let's get started. So I just got rid of all that code so I can teach you how to build this project line by line. So if I refresh, all of it goes away. So first I'll hit an exclamation mark and hit enter. And in between the two body tags, I'll create an input and give it an ID of weight input. And for the placeholder, I'll just make it say your weight in pounds. And then I'll do a select element and give it an ID of choice. You can give it whatever ID you want to give it, but I'm just going to give it choice. And then I'm going to create 3 options. And then for the first one will be kg, and then grams for the second one, and OZ. I'm going to name it kilograms, and I'm going to name this grams with capital letters, and then ounces. And after that I'll put two BR tags, which just makes the element start on a new line. And then I'll create a button, give it an ID of button since that's the only button we'll be using, calculate, and then I'll create a div and give an ID of result, and I'll just leave it blank. And then now we're done with our HTML, we can start the JavaScript part. So first I'll store my button in a button variable. So document.getElement by ID. Not calculate, button. And then var result equals document.getElement by ID result. And I'll give it some styles. I can go into CSS and do it, but I'm just going to do it with just pure JavaScript. So result.style style.color equals red, then result.style.text decoration underline. I hope you guys are following along so far. If I'm going too quick, I'll slow down a little bit. So button.add event listener, click, and then I'll give it a function var input equals document.getElement by ID weight input dot value. And usually if a variable ends in a dot value, then you should put it in the function, because if you don't, it won't work. I've learned that from experience, so that's what I do now. Var choice equals document.getElement by ID choice dot value. And then I'll create a few conditional statements, and my first one will say if choice equals kg, which is kilograms, then result.inner HTML equals your weight is plus math.round. And this is why it rounded my weight to 59 kilograms, because I put this special keyword math.round. It's a built-in JavaScript method. I think was it a method or an object? I think it was a method, whatever it was called, but I know how to use it. So we just put math.round and 2 sets of parentheses, and then inside of that I'll type input times 0.45359237, then plus kilograms, and I'll do the same thing for my grams, except I'm going to multiply instead, because there's more grams in a pound than there's pounds in a kilogram. I mean a gram. Gram. Was that the value? Grams with an S. Then result dot inner HTML equals your weight is plus math.round. You don't have to put math.round, it's optional, like I said before. Input times 453, that's the number of grams in a pound. 453 times 0.59237. That should be accurate enough. And then plus grams. And for our, and just to prove that I'm right, here we go. So 1 pound equals 0.45359237 kilograms, and there's 453.59237 grams in a pound. There's 16 ounces in a pound. So now you guys can trust my numbers. Else if choice equals OZ, then result.inner HTML equals your weight is plus math.round input times 16. And we don't, yeah, okay. We actually don't even have to put math.round, since it's going to be whole numbers anyway. Unless you put in like 130.5. I'll just put it anyways, just in case. You don't have to, it's optional. Times 16 plus ounces. And I think that's about it. Let's check to see if it worked or not. I think it will work. Okay, so we have out here our input field, our select, and then our button. And of course I didn't put anything in, so it says my weight is 0 kilograms. So I'm gonna put in 130 and see what happens. Yep, 59, just as you guys had seen at the beginning of the video. And how about I put 130 again, except have it convert to grams. It should be like, yeah, 58.967. Okay. How about ounces? Okay. Great, it's working. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you go smash that subscribe button and like the video. Also, I'm in a competition with 2 of my other friends. They're YouTubers as well. We're all small YouTubers, so we're trying to reach 50 subscribers. So I'm currently at 25 and they're at 20-ish, 30-ish subscribers. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button so I can win the race. So yeah, but most importantly, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a nice day. See you in my next video.